Hello everyone. Today I will present you my term project for the course Introduction to Digital Circuit Design. I implemented a circuit that handles the movement mechanism part of a 3D printing. When the printer is opened, it initially makes the nozzle that this moving part come to the origin of the printing and rises the please show it rises the table to its end, and then it waits for XYZ commands from the computer. Let's see it. I'm opening the printer. And the printer is now waiting for XYZ commands from the computer, but we couldn't be able to implement that. Thanks for watching.